This video is a demonstration of my project entitled Advanced Assistive Automation. Assistive automation is a form of automation in which we focus on people with disabilities or elderly people to make them feel comfortable and safe at their home. The project is built on Raspberry Pi and includes work in Android development, Linux Bash shell scripting, and Python programming. You can control everything including lights, doors, or any electrical appliances connected to switchboard with voice commands from any device, even in absence of internet connection. Voice commands can be a natural conversation, just like commanding your servant. Also, my project don't use any premium and costly products like Google Home and Amazon Alexa. It uses existing Android smartphone and Linux system features. The list of voice commands is present on the screen and on my website. Please unlock the doors now. Can you lock the doors now?
I have locked the doors for you.
Switch on first appliance now.
Switch first appliance for you.
Switch off second appliance now.
I have switched second appliance for you.
Voice feedback assistant for your general duties like controlling music, volume, news, online radio is also present. Mind playing some music? Play next music. Stop music. Play news.
Silent stream NDTV News Radio for you.
I mean, there's nobody else in the Congress party.
How to address the concerns though that people have about privacy issues and Aadhaar?
And it is what in many parts of the world, but it's important for me to convey that. India is emerging as a big digital power. The Aadhaar law is safe, secure.
Stop news.
Silent NDTV News Radio for you.
This project also have automated emergency alarms like fire alarm, gas alarm, and theft alarm with voice feedback. This is the fire alarm.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? A fire has been reported in the building. A fire has been reported in the building. Please proceed to the stairways and exit the building. Do not use the elevators.
This is the theft alarm. When an intruder enters by any means without entering password, the motion sensor is triggered and the theft alarm is raised.
May I have your attention, please? An alarm has been activated. We are investigating the cause. Please remain calm and stand by near the speakers for further instructions.
When any authorized person enters after entering the correct password, the theft alarm is not raised. This is the password interface for automated entry and exit doors. The current password is 2018.
Wrong password.
Now I am entering 2018.
Password match. Loading.
As soon as I enter my 4-digit passcode, she tells us about the authentication status, and if the passcode is matched, then the doors automatically opens and the white bulb automatically turns on. You can control all this using almost any smartphone or computer in presence or absence of internet. Do read the working of this project from my website if you want to send voice commands from device not having Android operating system. Raspberry Pi is currently running some bash shell scripts and a Python script. My voice is converted to text on my mobile device using an Android keyboard. This text is then sent to Raspberry Pi through my Android application named QuickClip. This app can send text to Raspberry Pi through a local area network like Wi-Fi network. To send voice commands over the internet when you are miles away from the project, you need another app named Clipboard. Text-to-speech converter PicoTTS is used to provide voice feedback.
That's right.
If you want to make this project or want to know more about this project, you have to visit my website or GitHub profile. All my programs are open source. And don't forget to try this command. Tell me about yourself.
I am your button. I am the control center of all electrical appliances in this industry, but yet, I am your assistant. I was originally developed by Pankaj, Ashwinder, Balpreet and Deepak for their final year project. My purpose is to help disabled or elderly people get their work done with voice commands, provide productivity by automating tasks